video, I will show you how to design a bomber jacket or letterman jacket, or other called it baseball jacket, or a varsity jacket. Okay, on this video, we will be using again the 3D mockup from yellowimages.com. So we will be using a black and white color theme for this design. Okay guys, before we start, if you're new here in my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Okay, let's start guys. On this layer, make sure to lock the highlights and shadows layer, and we will be changing the background color into white. Okay, so let's minimize first this okay, now we will apply the white color in our front body. Just create a new layer and make sure you selected the color that you want, then hit letter J or G in your keyboard, or click the paint bucket tool. Ano ba guys, I'm using Adobe Photoshop 2022. Okay, so just hit save, and then we'll go to the sleeves. Again, create new layer, then apply the color that you want. This time we will be applying the black color for both sleeves. Okay, double click, then hit letter G or the shortcut of the paint bucket tool, then save, or command J or control S, or command S for shortcut for the save. Then now we will be changing the color of the base, and into again black. Okay, later on we will be applying the stripes. So for now we will just first put our base colors. Okay, just simply click on each parts that you want to modify. Okay, new layer, save. Now on the cuffs, so we will be applying black base colors. Double click, new layer, paint bucket, save, close. Okay, now we will change the inside base color into white, because we have our white base as you can see in the front. And now we will be changing the bottom colors. So just navigate here, look for parts, make sure it's click, then you can just unclick or remove the parts which you don't need to change anything. For this one, we will go to change the color of the bottom, so it will be all black. And then for the pockets, no need, just uncheck those, cuffs, sleeves, color inside, color, and so on. Okay, on this part we will changing this into, instead of orange, we will going to change that into white, and uncheck all other layers. Okay, so now okay, we'll try to change the color of these cuffs or inside view of the cuffs. Let's see. Okay, now done with the coloring. Now we are going to apply the stripes. Okay, let's start with waistband. So just click the rectangle tool and make sure you have no strokes or no color in the stroke. Make sure you have a color on the field, which will be white color. Now click, hold, drag and release. Now you have to adjust the thickness of the stripes. Then let's see how thick it will be. Just click save. So for me, I think it's a little bit thicker, so we will adjust again, then save. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Now Control J to duplicate, then click, hold, click and hold the shift key, then drag down, then release. Okay, as you can see, it's not in the center, so we're going to adjust these two stripes. Select both, then move it by hitting the up arrow in your keyboard, then save. Okay, we will adjust a little bit. Once when you think it's all center, now click save. Now we will be applying the same on the cuffs. Okay, what to do is you can just drag and drop these stripes that we have used on the hem. Okay, on the waist rib. Now save. Okay, as you can see, it's a little bit thinner than we have here, so we can just adjust the thickness. You can just remove first the other line, then adjust the thickness, then save. So I think we still need to make it more thicker, then save. Okay, for me, I think this is perfect. Same thickness as here, then save. Okay, I think we need to adjust a little bit, make it center. Okay, perfect. Now we are going to move on the other cuff. So just click on that layer, then drag and drop the stripes that we have used on the other cuffs, and then save. Then check if those lines are aligned or in center. If not, just move, adjust. Okay. See? Okay, that is okay. So we can just a little bit more, maybe more on top. Okay. Now we are going to put stripes on the collar. Just minimize the layer parts. Okay, then drag and drop the stripes. Check if the stripes is in the center or have the same thickness. As you can see, it's a little bit thinner again versus on the stripes that we have here on the hem and caps. So we will need to adjust again the thickness of this line and hit save. Check. It's okay. Now you can duplicate that line, then hit save once more. So now we are going to adjust the spacing. So I think that is okay. Now on the other side of the collar, double check, double click, minimize this, then look for the other layer, then drag and drop the stripes, then hit save. Okay, perfect. Now we have our front design done almost. We're going to add just the logo. Okay, just drag and drop your logo, then make sure that your logo is in the top. Just click, hold, and release, then double click, change the color. Okay, this time going to be a black color. Now position the logo. Okay, perfect. Now we have our logo and our finished front design for this jacket. Now we are going to design the back part, which is going to be the same exact steps that we have done in the front. Okay, save. Now we're going to color the sleeves. Okay, right click, double click, new layer, print packet, choose color, click once, save, close. Now for the coloring caps, same. This is how easy to use this mockup from Yellow Images. So if you have a fashion clothing, or if you're working in a fashion industry or clothing company, you can use this 3D mockups that Yellow Images are selling for your presentation purpose. Now we are going to apply the stripes once again. Okay, so this time we are going to just open the layers from the front area. Okay, so forget to open the layer at the back. Once you open the back layer, just make sure to drag and drop the stripes that we have used in the front. Save. Make sure it's center. Let's see. Okay. Let's adjust a little bit more. Save. Perfect. Now close. Now on the tops, Okay, double click the layer, make sure you open the layers, then again just drag and drop the stripes, make sure it's center, check it is center in the parts, the cups. If all is okay, move on to the next cups, then again drag and drop the stripes. Okay, can we close this now and check if it is aligned. Okay, save. Okay, I think it's perfect. Now last part will be on the collar. Okay, so we're going to get the stripes from this color that we have used. Now select both stripes and drag and drop, make sure it's in center. Okay, let's see if they have the same thickness. Yes, they have. Now close this, and we are going to just drag and drop our logo at the back card. Okay, so it's going to be printed or water-based print. You can also put patch logo or fabric applique if you want. Okay, now we have our finished design using 3D templates from yellowimages.com. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you're always updated to my new video tutorials. Thanks guys for watching. Take care.